Hello everyone, Archana here. When I say home to tomb, what is that one thing we carry from home to tomb? Well, from your point of view, what is that? You can leave it in the comment section. But I would say it is trust. When we are in our mother's womb, we start trusting our mother. And yes, after which, when we are born, we start trusting our parents and with our own siblings whom we start living with. For all kids, their entire world becomes their parents and siblings because we know our parents and siblings can never harm us. So we easily trust them and start living with them. Once we start going to school, we trust our teacher because we feel that our teacher is the best, and whatever our teacher teaches us, we trust our teacher and we take it. And yes, later on, friends, when we start making friends, when we start talking to them, we start trusting them, and our friends also do trust us. And later on, when we get into job, our boss trusts us, and yes, we even we trust our boss. The cycle goes on and on. Like when we get married, we trust our spouse, and yes, if you are into love, you trust your lover, and later the cycle goes on and on. When we have kids, we trust our kids. We think our child will give us the best, so we even trust our kids. So this is what is trust. So this trust is being passed on from generation to generation, don't you think? Well, I have a story here to explain to you all on what is trust. This story is of a man who is been flying in airplane. So after 4 hours of waiting, finally this man boards the flight. So the flight is being taken off. Well, after some time, when the flight is being taken off, they get an announcement where they have to fasten their seatbelts. So now everybody fasten their seatbelts. After a while, there is an announcement of a calm voice that the beverages will not be served as there is a light turbulence ahead. So the seatbelts are still fastened. As they go further and further, again they will get an announcement that the meals will not be served as there is again kind a little bit of turbulence ahead, so the meals will not be served. So later, suddenly they will hear a storm. This after which, when they hear the storm, everybody will start in the passengers will start to panic. And after which now there is a thunder and lightning of light in darkening skies. So people do not know what to do. The rest of the passengers, all the elderly people, will start worrying and panicking. They start even praying God. They start even they start holding each other's hands because they do not know how are they going to be landed. Will they be landed safely or not? So this man will be looking at all the passengers who have been really worried of their lives. At the same time, this man looks at a small girl who is an 8 years old girl who is just calm and silent. So she is in her own world. You cannot see fear in her. She is as calm as she is. She is happily reading a book. So this man notices all the passengers are so much panicked because of their safe arrival, and this girl is quietly sitting in her place, straightening her legs, and she is busy reading her book. You cannot even see a bit of fear on her face. She is so calm. And this man has been this it actually left this man to surprise. He was watching the rest of the passengers, but this girl remains fearless. So finally they land safely, and once when the flight has been landed safely, all the passengers they are in a hurry to disembark. So this man thinks, let me approach to this girl and ask her a question. So he approaches to this girl and asks, dear, when there was a storm and lightning, all the passengers were so much worried and panicking. They started praying God. They were just worried of their lives. But when I saw people around and when I saw you, to my surprise, you were so much fearless. I could not. You were into your own world. I could see that you were happy reading your book. So it was very surprising. So he said, were you not afraid of? So she says to this man, uncle, my father is a pilot and he will take me home. So here is the trust. The trust she has got in her father. So he will take her home safely. So this is what is trust. So from your point of view, whom you trust the most, you can leave it in the comment section. Well, thanks for watching this video, and yes, if you find any interesting story, you can share the link to me in the comment section or in my Facebook link, as I have already shared my Facebook link in my description. If I find it interesting, I will surely narrate the story to you all. And yes, I will also disclose the name of the person who has shared the story to me. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.